So one of my friends hits me up after seeing one of my reels on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right there for you guys if you want to follow me. And he's like, can you give me a list of beginner-friendly fragrances? I thought, you know what? That would be a fantastic idea for a YouTube video, so let's get into it. First one is going to be right here. Rassasi Hawas is an extremely mass-appealing scent. To me, it leans a little bit more youthful, maybe like somebody in their teenage years, maybe somebody in their early 20s, but anybody in any age range could wear this fragrance in my opinion. It does have that fresh, sweet, bubblegum, deodorant kind of DNA. I will tell you, this one does offer good performance of about 7 hours, and I got a compliment on this fragrance the first day that I wore it. And the best part about this fragrance right here is you're able to get it for under $30, guys. I made a whole video on it right there. I'll link it for you. I'm not sponsored. I did it completely free just because I feel like there's a lot of people in the community that want to get into fragrances and they don't know where to start. I think that's a great beginning for you. So again, Rassasi Hawas, a great beginner-friendly fragrance. Montblanc Legend Spirit. This one has the deodorant kind of smell in the most elegant way possible with some added citruses. If you smell Paco Rabanne Invictus and you like that one, you're easily going to like this one right here as well. But I will say it does have a weakness like any other legend. For example, Achilles had a problem with his heel. This one has a problem with performance. You're only going to get maybe 4 to 5 hours of longevity maximum out of this one. I personally wear this one maybe going to the barbershop, doing some errands, going to the supermarket, where I don't want to have an extremely strong fragrance. This is the one I reach for. But if you are that kind of person that likes to have that kind of scent profile on a daily basis, this is a fantastic option. Or you can have a more expensive fragrance as your signature scent, and this one could be your casual wear fragrance that covers those scenarios that I mentioned previously. And you're able to get a 100 ml bottle this size for around $30 to $40. One of my personal favorites, Montblanc Legend Spirit. Then we move on to my most complimented fragrance of all time, Versace Eros. I love this one, guys. Seriously. It's extremely sexy. It has that mint apple opening with that vanilla dry down. Extremely seductive. It says it in the name, guys. If you're looking for compliments, this is going to be it. But I will say, don't get the Eau de Toilette anymore because the concentration on that one is not great anymore. It's been reformulated. It no longer has the longevity that it used to have. I would say get the Eau de Parfum, get the Parfum, or get Flame. My personal favorite out of the new concentrations is the Parfum. This is an OG batch just to give you some reference. But yes, this one right here is extremely mass appealing. People will tell you it's a fall-winter scent. I completely disagree. I think this one could be a signature scent easily. It will get you a ton of compliments, extremely mass appealing, and extremely sexy. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense, one of my most complimented fragrances as well next to Versace Eros. I normally wear this one in the summertime because it just works so well with the heat. It has that grapefruit, oceanic, aquatic kind of vibe. But I will say that we're able to wear this one all year round. It's fresh and clean, inoffensive, and it offers good performance for a great price. You're able to get a 100 ml bottle for around $60, guys. I got this one literally at Marshall's for that price. I used to wear this one at Whole Foods when I worked in the seafood section, and I was still getting compliments from customers and from my coworkers. I had one girl one time literally run up to me, like kind of like followed me in the aisles and stuff, and was like, can you tell me the name of that fragrance? I want to buy it for my boyfriend's birthday. I'm telling you, one of my favorite fragrances and a great choice for a beginner. Versace Dylan Blue. In my opinion, this is the best beginner fragrance that I'm showing you today. This one smells like an elegant shower gel in the best way possible. It has that patchouli and incense vibe, giving it some maturity and some sophistication and more of a gentleman kind of vibe. You're able to get a 100 ml bottle for around $50 to $60. You're getting a status brand like Versace. It offers good performance. It offers good versatility. And this one right here is a certified lady killer. Guys, I took this on a fragrance battle recently versus Bleu De Chanel. When that video comes out, I'll put it up. I was shocked by how well this did. Like completely shocked. Girls love this fragrance. This is it right here because it covers all the boxes. Offers status, performance, great price, versatility, and it gets a ton of compliments. One of the best that I could recommend for you, Versace Dylan Blue. Acqua Di Gio Profondo. In my opinion, this is the best Acqua Di Gio fragrance on the market today. They pretty much take the original Acqua Di Gio and they modernize it for you. It has that citrus, salty, marine, aquatic vibe, extremely oceanic. This is the epitome of Acqua Di Gio. This one right here will also get you a ton of compliments. I've taken this one on fragrance battles and it destroyed. It's undefeated so far, honestly, in the fragrance battles. I will tell you, girls love this fragrance. It is a lady killer certified. But unfortunately, it does have a weakness. The performance is not the best. You're probably going to get maybe 5 to 6 hours longevity max. I think this is perfect for somebody who lives in a hot weather kind of climate, right? You don't want something to choke out people, or maybe you like a lightweight fragrance. I think it's a fantastic option for you. Extremely mass appealing, extremely versatile. Acqua Di Gio Profondo, the best Acqua Di Gio on the market today. So this is where we get into the mass appealing fragrances, the top sellers, the fragrances you probably smelled before, the fragrance you probably own right now, the fragrance your ex-girlfriend probably knows. But to me, I don't care if it's a top seller. I don't care if it's not unique. What that says to me is it's tried and true, meaning somebody liked that fragrance, it worked for them, they bought it again and again and again and again and again because it's that great. So I'm not a hater. If I make my own fragrance, I would love for it to be at that top sales chart as well. I would love for everybody to come to me and say, man, I love your fragrance. I wear it every day. But anyway, we're going to start off with this one right here, the top seller on the market right now, Dior Sauvage. I would tell you right now, get the Eau de Toilette, the Eau de Parfum. The Parfum concentration, I wasn't a huge fan of. It just didn't last too long on me. The elixir is not beginner friendly. I want to make that very clear. This one has the bergamot pepper combination. It smells like an expensive shower gel as well. Extremely versatile, offers great longevity. Girls love this fragrance. I literally did a fragrance battle one time, and this one girl like smelled it. She liked it. When I told her the name, she was like, ew, Dior Sauvage, like the red flag for me. And I'm like, you literally just said you like it. Like, what's going on here? To me, that's a little bit weird. It's like they're just following what the trends are saying. Like, fantastic fragrance, despite what anybody tells you. It'll cover you in any situation, any occasion. Smells great, will get you compliments, and extremely mass appealing. Dior Sauvage, a classic. Then we have another popular fragrance that I really love. It is right here, Yves Saint Laurent Y Eau de Parfum. This one has that apple sage shower gel kind of vibe, extremely mass appealing, and girls love this fragrance. My best friend used to wear this one as a signature scent, and so did my little brother. They would tell me all the time, get this fragrance, get this fragrance. Girls love it. I was hesitant, and now I have it. Fantastic fragrance. I've also gotten compliments with this one, guys. You can wear it for any season, any occasion. Longevity is good on it as well, maybe like 7 to 8 hours. I would say any flanker in this lineup is good, including the Eau de Toilette, the Eau de Parfum, the Eau de Parfum Intense, the Le Parfum. I did smell the elixir. Personally, I'm not a huge fan. I might need to smell it some more, but I will tell you it is not beginner friendly. But the other ones that I mentioned are fantastic. One of my personal favorites, Yves Saint Laurent Y Eau de Parfum. This is the fragrance that could save my life in a situation like this. Imagine a rob gunman came up to me, put a gun to my head and said, hey, listen, I need to order a fragrance off the internet right now without smelling it that I know is going to smell good, is going to give me compliments, versatility, mass appeal. You have one shot. Pick a fragrance. It'll be right here. Bleu De Chanel Eau de Parfum. The classiest, most versatile fragrance. In my opinion, this is another one and done fragrance. I love this one. It is just that good, guys. You're getting a premium brand like Chanel. The longevity is good. You can wear this one for any situation, any occasion. I've gotten a ton of compliments on this one. The performance is good. I really cannot think of any weaknesses to this fragrance right here, other than the fact that it's not that unique. But to me, again, I don't care about that. So if you're looking for your one and done, this is a fantastic option. I literally finished more than half of this bottle. I have a Parfum concentration backed up as well, ready to go. Any concentration on this one should be fine. My personal favorites are the Eau de Parfum and the Parfum. I would get those two personally over the Eau de Toilette. But again, a fantastic fragrance. You're getting everything you need out of this one. This is the one and done. Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum. Armani Parfum. This is for somebody who, let's say they love their style. They love to wear like a suit and tie, a blazer. They always like to dress up. They always like to be elegant. They always like to make the best impression possible. This is it right here. It has that bergamot, masculine lavender touch in there with the powdery iris, giving it some nice, elegant touches and some class. This is my personal favorite Armani. Offers good performance, good versatility, extremely sexy. I've gotten so many compliments with this one right here, and extremely underrated, and it is a bit unique. A lot of people focus on Bleu de Chanel, Dior Sauvage, Yves Saint Laurent Y, but this one right here is heavily slept on. Heavily slept on. You're getting a quality fragrance that offers so much. So if you're somebody who loves to dress up, always stay sharp, mass appeal, good performer, compliments, this is it right here, Armani Parfum. So I hope you guys enjoyed the beginner-friendly fragrance video. Again, it's not geared for somebody who has a massive collection already. This is perfect for somebody looking to start their collection and have a solid foundation. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, leave a comment below of what video you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe, and if you want to follow me on social media, I'll leave it right there for you guys. Have a good day.